To the expectations of the forecast models and even surpass them in some places. Now, as we take a look at the storm center itself, it's just off the coast of Delaware. The pressure is at 970 millibars. That's 28.65 inches. That's hurricane force. That's like a Category 2 hurricane closing in on a Category 3 type hurricane. The close lines indicate the isobars. They're very close together. You're never going to see isobars that close together over that range of space. It's very windy all up and down the whole eastern half of the country, and blizzard conditions exist all the way from New England right down through Georgia. Chattanooga, Tennessee picked up 21 inches of snow today. Do you think those folks are a little disoriented? Tomorrow, that storm is going to go right over New Hampshire, park itself right over Nova Scotia. We're still going to be on the back side of the storm.
Chevronné. Voici maintenant les prévisions pour plusieurs villes du Canada et des États-Unis. Ne manquez pas dans 6 minutes notre tableau complet sur l'état des routes et dans un peu plus de 10 minutes notre bulletin international avec...